Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Namaste, namaskaram, vanakkam, sat sri akal. Today we are introducing channel 625 to all our viewers. This channel will be putting up a lot of videos in terms of food, in terms of travels and whatnot. So, for all the biryani lovers out there living away from the home, living away from the country, who are just not able to go to the biryani cafes and have delicious biryani, we are gonna put a small recipe, a small video with which you can prepare delicious and awesome juicy chicken dum biryani at home. So let's start. So here is a recipe for 5 servings. First, take out some spices. Take 4 bay leaves, 4 cinnamon sticks, 6 to 7 cloves, 5 to 6 cardamom and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves and around 3 star anise. So continuing with that, get some garam masala, chicken masala, biryani masala, coriander powder, salt, red chili powder and turmeric around 2 tablespoons each. Take 1 cup of yogurt or curd. Take 2 medium-sized onions, 1 tomato, 5 green chilies and cut them vertically and around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Get 1 cup of mint leaves and coriander leaves. Soak 3 cups of basmati rice for around 30 minutes. Take 750 grams of chicken, wash it thoroughly and then add ginger garlic paste, chili, tomatoes, onions and add all the spices that we have taken earlier. Add 1 cup of curd, some mint leaves, some coriander leaves and then mix them thoroughly. Once mixed properly, allow the chicken to marinate for 30 minutes. Take a non-sticky pan, heat it and add 3 spoons of oil. Put the onions and fry it deep. Take the deep fried onions separately. Again add 3-4 spoons of oil and add onions, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste and fry it until it turns slight brown. Add a pinch of orange food color or saffron in half cup of lukewarm water to give the biryani an orange texture. Add the marinated chicken to the pan and make sure every piece touches the base. Cook the chicken for 20-25 minutes until the chicken is 90% done, almost cooked. Meanwhile, when chicken is getting cooked, heat a vessel and add 4 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add whole masala grains and saute for around 2 minutes. Then add 10 cashew nuts and some mint leaves. Add 6 cups of water to the vessel and allow it to boil. Once the water is boiled, add the soaked rice. Cook the rice until it is 90% done. To understand, just see the rice grains should start jumping and float on the surface. Now drain the water and keep the rice aside. By this time, chicken would have been cooked properly. So reduce the heat to below medium. Add the cooked rice to the chicken and then add the food color on top of it. Add the fried onion and the mint leaves and the coriander leaves. tablespoon of ghee on top of it and close it tightly with the lid. Make sure no air passes out. Allow the rice to cook in the steam. After 10 minutes, take out the lid and start mixing the rice slowly. Dun, dun, dun. Serving you the biryani on the plates. Introducing you to our team, Chef Santosh, sous chef and voice by Sanket, camera and editing by Sudarshanam. Thanks for watching our video. I hope you enjoy your time with your biryani. Please like, share it with your friends and subscribe. Keep watching for more interesting videos. Thank you.